Paul, I'll send over to you with a check of our weather today.
Fortunately, no weather problems this morning, so we can take a look back and kind of look ahead at the month of March. Yesterday, the first day of March, we didn't look ahead at the month as a whole because we were just worried about the next few hours. Let's look back at meteorological winter. December, January, and February. Meteorologists, we round things off to just 3-month increments. It's just easier that way because March, April, and May, that's spring. So let's look back at winter. It was the 5th warmest on record in Nashville, and the record keeping goes back to the 1870s. It was actually the second warmest February on record. We missed the all-time warmest by 0.1 degrees. When you look back at December, January, and February, those 90 days, 73% of those days we had above average temperatures, and that'll boost you into the top 5. As we look ahead to the month of March, well, a typical March, we warm up a lot. We're going to see almost exactly normal weather today. Temperatures are in the 30s this morning. We'll warm up to the 50s. Average highs are in the 60s. By the end of the month, average low temperatures are in the 40s. It's a big climb. Normal rainfall, over 4 inches of rain. Obviously, we're into severe weather season now with what happened yesterday. Snowfall, though, not impossible during the month of March. Average snow is just under an inch. Our all-time record, though, for the biggest snow event in Nashville history happened back in 1892 on St. Patrick's Day, 17 inches of snow. So it's still possible. We'll just wait and see. We do know that we're going to gain an hour and 9 minutes of daylight. The day is getting longer. Daylight saving time kicks in next weekend. Not this weekend, but next weekend. Let's take a look outside this morning, and things are looking good so far. No fog on the horizon, no clouds on the horizon either, and no wind to make it feel any colder. So temperatures are chilly, but there's no wind chill to go along with those chilly air temperatures. Blue skies overhead as we look out from St. Henry School in West Nashville and looking good towards downtown as well. Forewarn live radar is nice and blank right now. The last of yesterday's storm system now moving off the coast of the Carolinas and down into Georgia. There's nothing new lining up upstream of us, so we're going to see dry weather in the forecast for the next several days. Current temperatures are chilly. It's jacket weather as you're heading out the door. Near freezing in a lot of locations. It's 30 in Livingston and Cookeville, 32 in Crossville, Tullahoma, 31 Gallatin, 27 in Paris, but 37 degrees in Nashville, so we're not quite as cold, and we will warm up. We'll be in the low 50s by noon, coolish, but pleasant with that sunshine overhead. Winds out of the northwest, a noticeable breeze kicking up to around 10 miles an hour this afternoon, but still pleasant. Mid-50s for high temperatures again, exactly what's normal for this time of year. A little bit cooler tomorrow. We'll start off chillier, and another wave of reinforcing cool air is going to head in and keep us around 50 degrees for highs Friday. A cold start Saturday morning, then we start turning it around. We'll hit the low 60s on Saturday. More clouds on Sunday, but still dry with highs in the mid-60s, upper 60s Monday before the next chance of showers, and a few thunderstorms heads our way Monday night and Tuesday. At this point, I am unconcerned about our severe weather potential there, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case.
We know you will. Today looking very nice.
Very nice.
All right, Channel 4 News today.